cool about manufacturing? Unity Lab in Dusseldorf, PA not only manufactures laundry equipment, but they create community, opportunity, technology, and development.
Technology is one very important aspect of manufacturing. Technology has improved production greatly at Unity Lab. Machines like this metal laser cutter take production time from weeks down to hours.
The machine is cleaner and faster, and it saves us a lot of time on all our procedures.
Here's a demonstration of how the laser cutter works.
Opportunities at Unity Lab have given workers extra knowledge and connections that they can use to help them in their workplace.
What's the coolest opportunity you've had working here at Unity Lab?
So probably the coolest opportunity that I've had, because we partner with businesses around the world, I got to travel to Italy, and I got to work very closely with a partner that we have there, as well as experience all of the culture and food and the good things that Italy has to offer.
Shipped to 6 continents, 40 countries, and 19,000 customers.
Right here is going to grow up to look just like that one behind
us. What's so cool about manufacturing?
Well, we get to give back to our community by participating in many events like our fair, sponsoring Little League teams, participating in What's So Cool About Manufacturing.
What's so cool about manufacturing?
Community,
Technology,
opportunity,
development.
We are